Why I use Synoptic Panel? Know the benefits. The Synoptic Panel is a powerful custom visual for Power BI by OKViz that lets you turn any image into an interactive dashboard component. Here we have an example. We need to add values with a measure in this image. It is just a simple image with no functionalities. The standard way to do this is to add 10 cards, one for each box. Create complex DAX to handle individual conditional formatting and also worry about placement and alignment. Why not transform that image into a Synoptic Panel visual with the boxes mapped? This not only will avoid all those problems mentioned, but also will bring interaction to the visual. The process of mapping the image to use it in the Synoptic Panel Power BI visual is very simple, and you can do it online using the Synoptic Designer for Power BI. When we use Synoptic Panel Visual and we click on a box, all related visuals will respond. Also, it is easier to create a simple DAX measure to handle all conditional formatting at once. This will add a new level of interaction to your dashboard, improving the user experience. Find out more at okviz.com. Thanks for watching.